Hi, I'm Dr. Gene Preuss. I'm an associate professor of history in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. Looking back over the two videos we did previously, in the first video, we used backward planning so that I could show you how to create the assignments that I was going to need in Canvas LMS. In the second video, I went through and showed you how to take those assignments and actually create them in Canvas LMS. Now, in this video, what I'd like to do is kind of show you how to assemble those assignments, create pages, put the assignments in the pages, and then assemble those into a module. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is to go ahead and click on the Pages link in the bottom left-hand corner of the course menu. Now we'll want to click on View All Pages up at the top of the home page. Now click Create New Page at the top right-hand corner. That'll give us a blank page where we can enter a title and a description of what we want the students to do. In this example, I'm going to create a page where I show students the various types of assignments they're going to have, and I'm also going to link to these descriptions an example of each type of assignment. So I've already created the assignments. I'm just going to add links later on. Right now I'm going to format the page so the students see it as I would like for them to see it. First, I'm going to give them a short list of what they can expect to find as they scroll down. So I'm going to then copy down these titles and then format them separately. I've inserted, as you can see, a horizontal line to separate the index, if you will, from the actual content. And now I'm formatting the headers so students can differentiate between them and the description, and I'm also going to put in a dividing line horizontally between each of the descriptions. Now I want students to see the link to the assignment, and I try to be consistent so that students always will see the same types of links, the same type of asks, so that they'll be familiar with the way I have the course laid out, and it won't be a surprise to them. Now that I have the page formatted, I want to add links to the assignment. So all I have to do is enter course links and find the discussion, in this example, of what I'm asking them to look at, and then I can go to the perusal. That's also in the column on the right. That's in assignments, so I can find that perusal assignment, put that in there, and then my précis, again, the assignments are already done. I'm just linking them in the page that'll take them to the assignment. Once I'm done, I can close out the side window where I'm adding assignments, and let's say I want to do some other things. Say I want to include some videos. Up here in the selection ribbon at the top is a place where I can find various videos or other types of things to install in addition to formatting the text. After we've built some pages, let's think about how we want to put the modules together and assemble all those pages. Let's open up the home page and go to Creating Modules. So we'll go to the Modules link. We see that we've already got a few modules created. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways of doing it. If you already have some modules created, how easy it is to copy it so that once you get one module done, the other ones should be easier to put together. Let's go to the top of the page here and click on Modules so we can create a new module, and we'll give it a title. Once I've got a title, I can also make a determination. This unit comes later on in the semester. I don't want students getting in there before then, so I can actually set a date and time that this unit will publish on its own. I don't have to worry about it. This way, students can't get in until a specific time that I can preset. Now, once I've created a new module, I can go in and insert pages and other information that I've already created, and this makes it easier. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus button to add material to this module. Now I'm going to select a page that I've already created, and I want to indent it as the second element in the module. I copied this because I've already got a page format that I like for the introduction. So I just need to make some edits in order to make this an introduction for a different module. Once I complete all my changes and edits, I can go ahead and set a date when this will self-publish as well. From this point, I can go ahead and add other pages and other assignments to the module that I've created before, and it really speeds up the amount of time it takes me then to create additional modules throughout the course. Once you finish building your modules by copying, editing, and putting all of the information together that you've already been working on, your course is almost ready to go. The only thing you need to do is to edit your homepage and how the syllabus appears to the students. And we'll cover that briefly in our last video. Thank you for watching.